Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Siacoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting on the weekly chart for the bullish and bearish scenarios here. And the overview, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse toward the upside, finishing wave A or wave 1, and after this we got of course 3 waves toward the downside, but it was not enough of course as a correction. Obviously we got another 3 waves up for a wave B here after a wave A, and then continuation again for a wave C, but it didn't took the low, giving us the potential here of a triangle D and a E, right? And in this case scenario, we have a triangle A, B, C, D, E, and very close to finish, of course, this wave E. With one more leg toward the downside, we would like to see a finish zigzag. However, you would not like to see, of course, that this price here level is taken, because this is your invalidation of triangle. Invalidation of a triangle, meaning invalidation of this bearish scenario. Maybe it can be more bearish, so that if we break this, meaning of course we're moving into an A, B, and a C toward the downside, or WXY somehow. Here we go. Yeah, we have the Y, W, X, and a Y, where you have potentially a zigzag in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So once the wave 3, of course, breaks this price action here, meaning, of course, that we are still bearish until we hit the blue zone, of course. And inside the blue zone, you would like to start to see, of course, some higher prices or bullish scenario unfolding by taking the low. And potentially, of course, that we are in a much more bullish scenario here than bearish, because, of course, this is very close to finish. We are truly in a downtrend, but this will unfold an A, a B, and a C, as you can see in your scenario yellow. Your wave B, of course, in this case, can go lower in case we are in a deeper correction, A, B, and a C. Your wave C has to be, of course, an impulse toward the upside. Now, a bigger bullish scenario is a 1, 2 at this blue box again in confluence, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside for an impulse. So it can be very impulsive actually for Siacoin here. The targets are, for the bullish are, of course, a little bit higher than the all-time high, as, of course, usually these are the linear fib levels, which, of course, it can be later on the logarithmic chart as 1, 2 here, and then 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. Yep. So basically, these are the scenarios here that we have between bullish and a bearish scenario. Your bearish scenario is a triangle, which it can be finished very soon without invalidation, of course, and moving directly toward the upside from here, or it can be a bigger A, B, and a C toward the downside, of course, in a WXY here, probably finishing a wave C as well. So let's move inside this wave E, which is supposed to be a wave E here. So as we can see, we have a 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Wow, wait, this wave 4, it has kind of also invalidate here as 1, 2, 3, 4, but however, it's still working, because maybe, the triangle A, B, C, D, E was supposed, of course, to be a corrective and continuation toward the downside. So probably here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And then we got A, B, and a C for an expanding flat as a correction. So A, B, and a C. Now, currently we are 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Nice to see that the wave 4 here did not invalidate this impulse, and that because tells us that we might have a very short impulse here. So A, B, and a C, your impulse might be short for wave C, and that because your wave E here is taking effect, before, of course, the invalidation of the triangle. So very nice to see this. Probably, of course, it can be as well a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So we have to be careful with it as well. But nice to see this impulse unfolding without invalidation, meaning this can play as an A, B, and a C, and continuation for higher prices. Higher potential, highest possibility is, of course, this scenario, wave E currently, and probably moving for very high prices from here. Meaning if I would take this wave here as a wave 1, So your scenario might be, of course, at 0.11 cents for Siacoin. And this means, of course, in percentage is almost 2,000. Almost 2,000. Let me check. Here we go. 3,000. Yeah, 3,000%. Very, very nice. So yeah, that was it for Siacoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.